G'day Mr. Ezra Bean, Sweno Mick here. So young Ezra Bean is my little great nephew. Mr. Ezra Bean, I think, is going to be a chainsaw man or possibly a grounds maintenance contractor. He's got all his gear, and old great Uncle Mick is just going to start up his big shindower for him. Great Uncle Mick's going down this weekend. He's going to cut a few trees down at McCarley Ridge on his piece of land with his son Damien, our son Damien, and Zach Martin, Bailey Courtney, great Nanny Carls, and great Carls, and Kerry. We're going to drop a couple of trees and we're going to go do a bit of run around having a look around. But anyhow, Mr. Ezra Bean, this video is for you. Old great Uncle Mick starting up his chainsaw. I've got all my safety gear on. Look at this. I've got my hard hat on, which Mummy and Daddy have got to buy you. Your protector to protect from any chips going in your face. Your ear protection and your sun protection. But I've just got my Jackie Howe on because I've just been working on my car, but I'm going to start up my chainsaw just for you, Ezra, with all my gear on. So there you go, there's 2.5 minutes just for you, Ezra. And you've got to wear all your safety gear, your chaps, your big steel cap boots that you've got to get off Mum and Dad. You've got to wear your gloves. You've got to wear your hard hat and your ear muffs, your hearing protection. And that's a double thumbs up from great Uncle Mick. You have a great weekend, mate. See you later.